Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Steph.
And I am Michelle, and we are so excited to have you here today as we once again are working with Sola Wood Flowers, and they are sponsoring this video.
If you missed our video last week, we did an unboxing video. This was our first time even using Sola Wood Flowers, so we talk about all the things. So
everything you need to know.
Out.
Yes.
And today we want to show you our lovely flowers that we created, and we are going to turn this into a home decor piece.
Be sure to check out their website. The link is in our description to see all of their gorgeous flowers and I don't know how many colors they have. So many colors that you could choose to color your flowers.
We're going to use a little bit of jute and wrap it around the top of a canning jar just to add a little bit of texture. And then we'll tie it in a knot. We're going to fill up the canning jars with some wheat berries just to, again, add a little bit of texture and color. And it's also going to hold the stems of the flowers into place.
To insert the wire into the flower, we're going to just put a puddle. Is that a good word? A bead, well, it's more like a puddle. A puddle of glue in the center of the back of the flower, and then I'm just going to take the wire and push it through, not all the way through, but into the flower, and then the glue kind of goes up into the flower and it's going to hold it into position.
We're going to repeat this process with all of the flowers and allow the hot glue to dry.
So we're going to start filling this canning jar with our greenery first. So this is the stem that you get with the Nantucket Bouquet kit. We're just going to take a little bunch out and just stick it right on in there.
I'm going to begin by just breaking off a few branches off of the eucalyptus and pulling off the lower leaves so I can poke them into the jar. And then I'm just going to fill in a little bit of filler before we start adding our flowers. Now we're going to trim up the wire for the flowers to set them in. So I'm just using my little cutting dikes to cut that. And then we'll take the flower and place it in the arrangement. And I'm going to begin by doing the blue flowers first because that's going to be our dominant color in this arrangement.
To add a little bit more movement and variety to the flowers, you can just bend the wire a little bit so the flowers will be pulled forward. And also, you'll want to cut the stems to varying lengths so they're not all the same height.
Now we're going to add in the remaining of our filler. We have clipped a little bit of this, was it Dusty
Miller.
That's the one. And then we have these willow eucalyptus. Yes. Guys, I just think they're pretty. I don't know the words and names, just...
When placing this additional filler, you'll want to just make sure that you are adding it with varying heights again. So this one I'm letting it be a little bit taller than the previous fillers just to add a little bit of variety.
So we filled 6 mason jars in all, and we're going to put them in this wire basket, and it's going to be very pretty.
The idea or inspiration behind this centerpiece decoration is to go on a sofa table behind our sectional. We are finishing our basement downstairs, and I thought, how fun would it be to make my first little piece of home decor for our finished basement. So for now, it is displayed in our kitchen, and I am loving it so much. And when I told my family that they were wood flowers, they were all shocked because they look so real. We hope you enjoyed this video and were inspired to try and use Sola wood flowers yourself, and maybe in the non-traditional way and using it in a little bit of home decor. We can't wait to get our hands on our roll of the skinless Sola wood so that we can create our own flowers as well. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And thanks so much for watching. We love having you here. Be sure to drop your comments and questions below. And as always, here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.